Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters. Open your animation project and make sure your frame rate and resolution match the target. Once set, import reference footage and organize layers with clear names so you won't lose work. Next, establish a 1/2 second keyframe spacing to lock timing early. You create a new control rig or input mapping now. This gives you predictable handles to edit. Make sure to save a versioned file before proceeding so you can iterate without fear. You block the key poses now. Pose A, transition, pose B, think silhouette and wait. Once done, refine timing with ease curves and check arcs to ensure motion reads clearly. These shapes explain intent. Make incremental adjustments on in-between frames and add overlap for natural follow-through. You should create corrective poses for any geometry or joint collapse and adjust constraints to avoid pops. As you progress, scrub frequently and toggle layers to compare before committing to You finalize by baking controls and cleaning up animation curves so the motion is stable across platforms. Once done, generate a playblast or preview in the target environment to confirm timing and collision. Make small tweaks to avoid clipping and to preserve momentum. If something goes wrong, isolate the failing layer and compare to your versioned file. Often reverting a single pass and redoing overlap fixes it. Make sure to document the change that solved the issue before exporting the final file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.